Namaskar, my little learners. This is Disha ma'am, and we are going to learn English. Now, who will tell me what did we do yesterday? Yes, yesterday we completed the full explanation of chapter number 6, that is Wit and Wisdom. Right? Interesting and witty play that we enjoyed going through. Right? Today, what I'll be doing? I will be doing textual exercises. उससे पहले कल का होमवर्क था, write new words in your FNB. I hope you guys have written. Those who have not written, please write it. Even if you are not writing in notebook, make sure that at least you are reading the chapter once and underlining the new words. Right? So that आपको वो words समझ में आ जाए, उसका pronunciation समझ में आ जाए. Right? चलिए. So that was yesterday's homework. And आज हम करेंगे textual exercise. So are you guys ready for the session? Let us begin this session. Okay, this was the chapter, and the exercises begin from page number 89. So the first exercise over here is, who said the following sentences to whom? किसने किसको कहा? Did you hear that noise just now? Who said to whom? किसने बोला? Yes, Mangamma. What is the spelling of Mangamma? Mangamma. Mangamma to किसको बोला? Tenali. Right? You can just write this Mangamma to Tenali and underline it so that you come to know that this has been written. Next one. Let us put the jewel box in the well. If there are thieves around, they will never find it. This sentence बहुत जोर जोर से बोला गया था. किसने बोला था? Who said? Yes, correct. This words or this sentence was told by Tenali to Mangamma. Mangamma. Tenali to Mangamma. Clear? Is it visible? Okay. I have done it. That Tenali is not as clever as everyone says. This overrated statement किसने बोला था? Yes, thief 1. किसको बोला था? 2. Thief 2. Thief 1 spoke to thief 2. Right? चलिए, fourth one. Thank you for watering my garden. Who said this statement? I know, Tenali to the thieves. Right? Both the thieves. Tenali says this to thieves. Right? Chali. Last one. Don't move. We have caught you red-handed. Who said this statement? The city guard, or guard you can write. Guard. किसको बोला? Tenali को? नहीं. To the thieves. 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 Guard to thieves. Chale, I'll repeat the answers for you. Did you hear that noise just now? Mangamma to Tenali. Let us put the jewel box in the well. If there are thieves around, they will never find it. These words were spoken by Tenali to Mangamma. I have done it. That Tenali is not as clever as everyone says. Thief 1 says this to thief 2. Right? Thank you for watering my garden. Tenali to the thieves. Don't move. We have caught you red-handed. This sentence is spoken by the guard, the city guard, to thieves. Clear? Chale, question answers, think and answers will do in the notebook tomorrow. Now, come to the vocabulary, suffixes. Now, my dear children, first of all, what is suffix or prefix? Do you remember last year मैंने करवाया था? Suffix are the word which is generally added to the back of the verb. Suppose कुछ भी word को, suppose ये आपका main verb है, bed. Bed के साथ मैंने लगा दिया room. पीछे मैंने room लगा दिया, तो क्या बन गया? Bedroom. This is a compound word का example. But then suppose I say happy plus ness gives you happiness. So ness is the suffix. Suffix माने कोई word जो वर्ड के साथ पीछे लगाया जाता है, राइट. Suffix, come to the yellow box. Suffixes are the letters that are added to the end of the word, right. word के बाद में लगाया जाता है. A suffix can change how word is used in the sentence. We know prefix also. So suffix is when you are adding something at the end of the word. And what is prefix? Prefix माने कुछ word के आगे लगाते हो, right. चलिए, so here the examples are kindness, kind plus ness. Adorable, adore plus able gives adorable. So here ness and able, they are all suffix. Chaliye, let us begin with the exercise. Read this once. Joy plus OUS gives joyous. Fame plus OUS gives famous. Courage plus OUS gives courageous. Shame plus full gives shameful. Color plus full gives colorful. Beauty plus full gives beautiful. Don't forget to change Y to I. Now another suffix is less. Care plus less gives careless. Fear plus less gives fearless. Time plus less gives timeless. Admire plus able gives admirable. Comfort plus able gives comfortable. Agree plus able gives agreeable, right. These are some of the suffixes: OUS, FUL, LESS, ABLE, able. OS, fool, less and able. These are some of the words. Now come to this pink box. Let us read once. Suffix able meaning able to. Example reachable. Now reach is a verb और उसमें से इसको एडजेक्टिव बना दिया reachable. Now courageous. So courage is a noun. उसमें से उन्होंने एडजेक्टिव बना दिया courageous. Helpless. Helpless is again, help is a noun or a verb. It helpless becomes the adjective. Careful. So care is a noun and it made careful बन गया adjective, right. Change in the parts of speech. Parts of speech अभी मैंने आपको नहीं सिखाई है, that is fine, but we know what is noun and what are adjectives, right. चलिए, so this OUS, FUL, LESS, ABLE, these are all called suffix. Suffix माने when you add something to the end of the word is known as suffix. Clear? चलिए, now come to the first exercise. The city guard is describing the events at Tenali's house to his friend. Use the suffix we have just learned to form the adjectives and complete the description. Now, the help box is given. You just need to add proper suffix to it. Do you know what I did today? I arrested 2 thieves at the dash Tenali Raman's house. Fame. Fame के साथ क्या लगेगा? OUS, famous. So you will write famous, 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 right. Next, one of the thieves was completely dash. Fear के साथ यहाँ क्या लगाएंगे? fearless. fearless माने जिसको डर नहीं लगता था, right. thief 1 was very fearless. He had a dash box in his hands. Color full, COLURFUL, colorful. He thought he would steal and lead a dash life. क्या life? Comfortable life. Comfortable. Don't mix with the spelling. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. Life after stealing the dash jewels. Value के साथ क्या लगाएंगे? valuable. Value plus able gives valuable, right. I must say Tenali's intelligence is admirable. जिसकी प्रशंसा कर सकते हैं, admire कर सकते हैं, Here E will not come. ADMIRABLE, admirable. Right? चलिए next. He thought of a dash plan to catch the thieves. Wonder, wonderful. WONDERFUL, wonderful. Done. Chaliye, I'll read the whole paragraph for you. Do you know what I did today? I arrested 2 thieves at the famous Tenali Raman's house. One of the thieves was completely fearless. He had a colorful box in his hands. He thought he would steal and lead a comfortable life after stealing the valuable jewels. I must say, Tenali's intelligence is admirable. He thought of a wonderful plan to catch the thieves. Then, chaliye, so once word is when added, the meaning of the word also may change. Right? Chaliye. Now, question number 2. Use appropriate suffix to each word and write the new word in the given column. In that you don't need to write this column, that is fine. अब खाली इनके साथ words नए लगाने हैं आपको. You have to just add new words. Ticket and Marketers HW. Don't do the second part of the table, part of the speech, noun to adjective. नहीं करना है अभी. अभी आप क्या करेंगे? You will just add suffix. Poison, poisonous. Love, lovable. Courage, courageous. Adore, adorable. Fame, famous. Power, powerful. Adventure, adventurous. Right? You have to write these answers over here. Clear? Chaliye, move to the next part, that is interjections and prepositions. Very easy, we have already learned. Interjections क्या है? It is a group of word or group of words that expresses strong emotions. बहुत strong emotions दिखाते हैं, जैसे you can say eureka, aha, wow. These are all expressions which are giving you strong feeling, right? And prepositions describe the position of something and the time when something happens. कब हो रहा है और कहाँ हो रहा है. That is done by preposition. The name itself says positions, जिसकी position पहले से नक्की कर दी. So prepositions. Clear? चलिए. Now this first exercise is interjections and यहाँ पे situation दी गई है. They are speaking something and you need to write the answers. Aha, yuck, gosh, tada, yeah, wow, ouch, uh-oh. These are all expressions that I have been already telling you. Right? Now this also ticket and Marketers HW. Don't worry, अगर answers नहीं आ रहे हैं, tomorrow we will write it. But then page number 91 would be your homework. Right? चलिए, come to the next exercise. We can also use regular words like yes and no in these interjections. Find out 3 such words in the play and write them. Mention the emotion they express. Now let us see chapter में से ऐसे कौन से words हैं जो हमें दिखाते हैं emotions. Now if you can come to page number 85. Can you see this? This is an expressive words. Now, oh no, this is also an expression. And one more, I have seen it. Aha, I have an idea. Right? So these are 3 words. Aha, oh no, oh. Right? Chale, let us write over here. Page number 92. Let us write over here. Uh-oh. Aha. And oh no. इन सब में पीछे exclamatory sign लगेंगे because they are describing an expression. So these are the words. Oh, oh, aha, oh no, right? These are the expressions. Chaliye, moving to the last exercise of today. Mullah Nasruddin cannot see well at night. Use the correct prepositions to help him out, right? उसने कहाँ क्या रखा है? You have to see this picture. Mullah says, I can't find my pen. Now, where is the pen? Can you see the pen? Where is the pen? The wife says, it is hanging dash the window. Window के below या near. Whatever you feel like. Near लिखे तो भी चलेगा. Below लिखे तो भी चलेगा. Mullah says, and the pot, where is it? It is lying dash the table. It is lying on the table. Next, I hear a squeaking sound. Is there a mouse in the house? Wife says, eek! It has just come. Dash the house, dash the window. In the house, from the window. कहाँ से आया है? Window में से. कहाँ आया है? In the house. Who else lives in the house besides us? There is a lovely spider hanging dash the table. Above the table. Up the table नहीं आएगा. Up कैसे आता? On कहाँ आता है? When the two things are touching, the layers are touching, but this layer is not touching with table. So this is above, right? So it is hanging near the window. The pot is lying on the table. The rat came in the house from the window, and there is a lovely spider hanging above the table. Done? Chaliye, this is the end of today's session also. Today's homework I have given you page number 91. ये दो exercises आपको करनी है. Make sure that you are not doing this part, right? Only this and this one. Chaliye, till we meet tomorrow. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.